Okay, this is my little smart fortwo 700 preheat valve. So that's what I think it is. It's a pre-engine heat valve, and I've stripped it down. All inside here was just full of carbon and caulk and like gritty stuff. I've taken that out, oily, sludgy stuff. I've cleaned that out. I've cleaned this side out as well. I didn't video the dismantlement of this because I made a few mistakes, but I'm going to show you basically how it goes together, and maybe this might help somebody in the future with their little car, and you might make the same mistakes I did. Right, let me just start with what I'm doing. Okay, this is the bottom part of the body. That plate goes in there. 3 screws. One screw in. All right. That's 1 screw in. Ah, come on, doesn't want to go in. That screw. That screw in. This screw in. Come on, get in there. Just behave yourself. Okay. I'll put that screw in. Then the next thing is this thing here. It's got a valve, reed valve thing on it. You can see that. Now what happened is there's 2 screws in here, and I tried screwing them out, and the heads snapped off. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the head snapped off of the screws. So that was a big mistake, because on the back these screws seem to be riveted over to stop them screwing out. So what I should have done is, whilst this was all together like this, I should have taken a knife and put the knife in there and wedged it out slowly, you know what I mean, backwards and forwards until I got it out of here. So this one, let me see, it goes in this part of the body. Okay, so that will go in there like that, but this rubber seal's got to go around the body first. I'm just making a bit of a boo here. Okay, that rubber seal gets pushed on all the way around. Don't know if you see that. Then that gets put in there like that. Press it in really tight, and then this part of the body just goes and screws up, and that's the complete thing when it's finished. See, like that. So I'm hoping this might help somebody in the future, but just remember, when you come to this part, try and use a knife and slide it in and wedge it like this to come out, and you shouldn't have a problem. Hope this helps. Okay, thanks. Happy whatever you call it, driving and whatever. Okay, bye for now.